I don't try to put on too much, just enough. Now, if she were going out tonight and she wanted to accent this a little bit more, she might put on a little sparkle on top of it, a little bit more mascara on top of it. Your eyes are beautiful. Not a whole, like I said, she doesn't need a whole lot.
And then, of course, I guess when they come in to do this, you can recommend products that they would be best for their skin type and best for them.
I recommend skincare for them. I recommend the makeup colors for them, and then they can decide on whether or not they want to use those colors for their skin or the products that I have available for their skin.
Besides just the colors and the type of products you're using, are there some specific benefits to using Avon products in particular?
Avon has its own, they have their own research facilities, and so they do a lot of research on the products. So you know you're going to get good products. Avon has been around for more than 115 years.
Wow.
So they've been doing this for a long time. So you want to go with something that's going to be working. I'm not knocking anybody else's products. I'm just going to say you want better for your skin, something that's going to work for your skin. You don't want something that's going to break you out. Avon has a lot of natural products, and people are really into natural things these days, and that's a good thing. So we have a variety of things. We have, we range from age, I'll say 12 to 200. How's that?
And Avon is an international company too.
Yes.
I mean, it's basically worldwide. You can go anywhere and find Avon products.
Yes, all over the world. All over the world you can find Avon. You go to Japan, you can find Avon. You go to Europe, you can find Avon. Avon is everywhere. I actually know of a representative in Turkey. So,
Turkey.
In Turkey. And I have a friend who's in England who sells Avon. So, wherever you go, there's Avon. I mean, it's world known, worldwide.
Now, what are you putting on her right now?
I am putting on her just a matte lipstick, So if during the day, if she didn't want a gloss, she didn't have to put on a gloss. But I'm putting on a little gloss to keep her lips kind of moist. But I'm putting on a little bit of a natural color for her because she doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup. And like I said, she is a photography student, but she likes to look good when she has to go out and take pictures. So, voila.
So she's done.
She is done.
And how many different products did you use there? Like four maybe?
I used 4 products. 4 products on her. A moisturizer and a Magix, which was a gel clear makeup. Then I put on her mascara. I put on an eyeliner and an eyeshadow. I just put on a little foundation on top of that, and she's made up.
Now, let's say that she wanted to smell as good as she looks.
Absolutely.
We have some things over here that can actually help her in that regard, too. You might want to kind of jump in and tell me about some of these products over here.
Well, we have Reese Witherspoon. She has, specifically for Avon, come up with her own fragrance. It's called In Bloom.
And that's this one right here,
Yes,
right?
that's new this season. And that's from Reese Witherspoon. That's a new collection of hers from her. And then we have Patrick Dempsey, which is a men's fragrance.
So this is one I could wear.
Yes,
right
that's
here.
One for you, absolutely.
And that's this one right here, right?
Yes, and that's the men's fragrance. And that's also the men's toilet kit, which has everything in it, from nose clippers to liners. And you wouldn't think that a man would like to keep his grooming up, but they do. Men like to smell good and men like to look good. I have a lot of gentlemen who come in and buy facial wash for themselves and fragrances for themselves. So that's a good thing.
All right. And then we have one more back here that I understand has been a part of the Avon collection for quite a while.
Christian Lacroix. He's a designer, famous designer, and he's been in the Avon line for a while now.
Okay. And these are all relatively famous people.
Yes,
Reese Witherspoon, of course, is the big name, and she's endorsing an Avon product and has a scent for her.
It's her product. It's her. She made the fragrance for Avon. Avon and the chemist, our chemist and her, they went through the fragrances, through the colors, through the fragrances together and decided on what they wanted the fragrance to smell like. So did Patrick Dempsey. And we also have Derek Jeter. He has a fragrance from Avon also that he does.
Okay, good. So in addition to the fragrances, we also have some other items up here. Now right here, I understand this is a pretty timely product as far as what we're dealing with the flu and everything.
Right, antibacterial gel. It is, it's a must. Keep one in your car, keep one in your purse, keep one in your desk. I mean, I can't get I can't have enough of those on hand because we have them in different fragrances, which is a good thing.
Well, I noticed there are different colors here.
Right.
So these are different
fragrances.
Oh, right. Okay. So we have cucumber and peach and
vanilla, which is really good for the holidays.
So do they moisturize your hands in addition to protecting them
yes.
from bacteria?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely, and that's really good. I have a lot of people who get them for their kids. They stick them in their backpack, and you know the schools are really careful now, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Now, holidays are coming up. We're getting ready for Christmas time and all of that. I'm assuming this could play into that a little bit.
That is a holiday basket that I put together. Avon is offering the basket by itself. It's actually a wire basket, and it comes with the plastic cellophane and the ribbon and the tissue paper. You can get just the basket and all the things that go in that help to make your basket for just $1 when you purchase when you make a purchase from Avon, which is a really good deal now because you know people are cutting back with everything, and you can put whatever you want in it. And if you come by the shop, I will fill the basket for you with whatever you ask me to fill it with, and give you the basket for free.
So you'll get it all made up and everything, kind of like a florist. You just go in and get it all together. And
tell me what you want, how much you want to spend, and we get it together, and then you come back and pick it up. It's ready to go.
Okay. Now there is another item over here, and it's right here. This is a kit, which it looks like this would also make a really nice gift during the holidays. Tell me about this.
That is one of our brand naturals. It is a cucumber. That particular one is cucumber, and it comes with the bag, and it's a shower gel, a lotion, and a body spray, and you get the bath scrub with and the bag, so you have the whole deal for less than $10. That's a really good stocking stuffer.
It really is. And so all of this for less than $10.
Absolutely.
Wow. And I guess, you know, men and women alike like this kind of stuff,
yes,
right? It's not just the ladies that want to have the...
Men come and get them all the time.
Okay, now I know that you have a storefront, and that makes you kind of unique in the Avon world, in that people can actually come to your store, they can talk to you, they can have a makeover, they can also try samples, right?
Yes.
So we have some... I mean, gosh, there's got to be a ton of samples in here, and so folks can come in and just kind of give it a test run before
Absolutely.
they purchase.
I always have the bottles out as well so they can spray them, and so they can see how they smell on them. And I always encourage people to take samples, to take them home to see how they like them later, and then call me back or come back by and see me.
Okay. Well, all of these products are available at your store.
Absolutely.
Everything you used here on her today is available at your store.
Yes.
And let me just make sure I understand. The makeover that you did for her,
it's free.
Someone could come into your store and have that done for free and see how the products look on them. And if they ever had any doubt about Avon products and whether they're good or bad or indifferent, they could come in and see for themselves before they spend a penny, right?
That's correct.
Well, that's a great deal. I mean, that's awesome. And all of this in Old Town Moore. Who would have thought that you could do all of that right here in Old Town?
Absolutely.
So, well, thank you so much, Wilma, for coming on the show. Thank you for being a good sport, and you look great with your new makeup. And we appreciate you being on the show and for being in Old Town and having your business here purposefully.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching Old Town Live. Make sure to check back regularly on the Old Town Association website for more episodes. Take care.